नमस्कार दोस्तों। हाजिर हूँ मैं चार्ट्स पे चर्चा के न्यू एपिसोड के साथ विथ बजट एडिशन स्पेशल बजट व्यू ऑफ February 1st 2021। मैं आनंद राठी और मेरे साथ है विजय सिम्हा। अब देखते हैं क्या निफ्टी में एंड बैंक निफ्टी में दिख रहा है फॉर द बजट। ओके दोस्तों, अगर आपको याद हो, जैसा कि लास्ट वीक और उसके पहले के वीक में भी दोनों वीक में मैंने शेयर किया था कि अगर 14,450 एंड 14,250 अगर ये लेवल्स ब्रेक होते हैं देन वी कैन सी एक्सपायरी अराउंड 13,800 एंड निफ्टी ने लो किया 13,700 एंड एक्सपायरी 13,800 के पास ही दिया, एग्जैक्टली एज वी एक्सपेक्टेड। 14,250 14,450 दो लेवल्स ब्रेक करने के बाद में एक्सपायरी 13,800 आ गया है। अब क्या दिख रहा है स्पेसिफिकली जब सामने मेजर इवेंट ऑफ बजट है 2021 का बजट। सो कल बजट में कितना मूव दे सकता है निफ्टी वो देखते हैं। पहले कहां तक निफ्टी को पॉसिबिलिटी फिलहाल लग रहा है। इफ वी ऑब्जर्व लास्ट वीक वॉल्यूम्स बैक टू बैक वॉल्यूम्स हाई थे निफ्टी में। ये वॉल्यूम्स लास्ट वीक कंटिन्यू अबव हाई अबव नॉर्मल वॉल्यूम्स थे, अबव एवरेज वॉल्यूम्स एंड add to it Friday के volumes, if we observe, these have been highest volume for the last week with nice selling right from 13,950 to all the way till 13,660. Approximately 300 to 350 points move a day just before the budget, क्योंकि सैटरडे संडे हॉलीडे था तो फ्राइडे का मूव ही प्रीवियस बजट के पहले का मूव है विथ हाइयर वॉल्यूम। and this has also broken the major support of 13,700 जो previous resistance था, ये resistance turn support। so अब क्या बन जाता है निफ्टी में immediately this breakdown if gets a follow through, यानी कि 13,600 के नीचे अगर निफ्टी सस्टेन करता है then we can expect nifty to test 13,200 13,100 kind of levels on budget day or next day of the budget immediately. There is a high probability that Nifty can test 13,100 kind of near about levels within next 2 days or most likely on a budget day itself. If at all, agar 13,100 goes away, then this zone around 12,800 is very, very important, because if we observe there has been a very high volumes around here in 12,800 before 13,100 of 21st December higher volume. And if alternately 25th November का जो हाई वॉल्यूम कैंडल का हाई था 13,137 एंड 21st December को निफ्टी का लो भी था 13,155 अप्रोक्सीमेटली नियर टू द हाई वॉल्यूम ऑफ नवंबर, which means 13,100 150 zone being the first important reference, and if that goes away then 12,800. These are the levels to be watched for the budget day. And I don't think market might go below 12,800 on budget day or next day, but ultimately market is supreme. उसको जो करना है वो करेगा, अपने चाहने ना चाहने से कुछ नहीं होता है। So in case worst case scenario, if 12,700 below Nifty sustains, then Nifty can head towards 12,000 near about as the next major reference. These are levels for the downside. Now alternatively, what to be looked for the upside? The first important reference is going to be 14,000, as there was selling with high volumes on a Friday. So the Friday is high around 13,984, 14,000. This will be the very important reference for the upside. If at all Nifty manages to sustain and above 14,000, then we can expect Nifty to move towards 14,250 and 14,500 this 500 levels. Overall, this looks like a some temporary top being formed over here, as was discussed, as we have already alerted 2 weeks back. That looks like top is formed and Nifty is heading towards 13,100 and 10,800. These were our targets, as Dabang Vijay has shared through his Elliott wave. So as of now, looks like Nifty is headed towards 10,800 in medium term. Immediately 13,100 as a potential important support. This view of 10,800 remains as long as 14,700 is not crossed again on Nifty. Clear, Vijay?
Yes, yes.
Over to you.
So Nifty action has been extremely interesting last week. I think हमारे रेगुलर वीकली चर्चा अपडेट के बाद जो मूव अनफोल्ड हुआ है वो एग्जैक्टली एज एक्सपेक्टेड हुआ है एंड रिपब्लिक डे के दिन भी मैंने एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टडी शेयर किया था जहाँ पे जनवरी फरवरी मंथ्स का बिहेवियर ओवर द पास्ट 18 years ये मैंने डिस्कस किया था दैट जनरली फरवरी हैज बीन नेगेटिव मंथ. अभी तो फरवरी शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है, जनवरी में ही काफी डैमेज हो चुका है. 26 फरवरी के 26 जनवरी के दिन निफ्टी वाज डाउन अबाउट 3% फ्रॉम द हाई ऑफ 14,750. नाउ द करेक्शन इज ऑलरेडी 8%. और कितना जाएगा, we'll have to wait and see. But I'm again showing this. Look at these prices that I marked, big round figures. सेंसेक्स पे ये राउंड फिगर जो है 5,000 पॉइंट के 10,000 पॉइंट के सेपरेशन से है. निफ्टी में if you notice these levels have been extremely important. This 3,000 level was a huge support. यहाँ पर भी right, again 6,000. So these are all multiples of 3,000. 6,000 break करने में इसको 2-3 साल लग गए थे, right? Again it went up another 3,000 points. Again इसको 2 साल से ज्यादा लगे. Once it again broke above, I think here it was a good bull run, but again you see the corrections happening from the next point. 12,000 के आसपास से एक बार correction हुआ, 2 बार correction हुआ, तीसरी बार breakout दिया, but then it was a false breakout, right? And this fall was sharp. Again, if you see the support is here, 9,000 के ऊपर. Of course, it went down to 7,500 or so, but you can also see a quick bounce था. So this structure is continuing for now. So the next big wall is 15,000, and we are almost there, 14,750. So कुछ 250 point रह गए हैं. हो सकता है कि after budget we get a rally and we make a new high. That's possible. Now let's go into the internal structure, daily chart. Right, ये chart हम देखते आए हैं पिछले कुछ महीनों से. I think when we started charts पे चर्चा, I think we were somewhere around here. तब से ये पूरा structure unfold हुआ है, right? Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 यहाँ खत्म हो गया है मेरे हिसाब से. But internal subdivisions, Elliott wave also tells that a wave can, a full impulse wave can have 9 waves. मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe there's more to happen. But for the coming week, I think Anand ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से level समझाया है looking at volumes. So that's what we need to keep in mind. 13,100 is the first target we had, and yesterday's low on Friday was 13,600 approximately. तो 500 point अभी भी है, पर हमें ये देखना है कि बजट की volatility में हम ना फंस जाए. So we need to go down the scale even more. Let's look at maybe an hourly scale. See, this was the top, not this. So irregular flat बना है जहाँ पे B wave made a new high. This was A, B, C. 1A is done. B is done. C can extend to even 2.618 times. वो टारगेट मीट हो गया है 13,620 के आसपास. Of course, it can extend even further. C waves can extend, but I think we should be careful. One, because we are at that level of past resistance, which is now current support. Yes, the index did close below that support, but who knows? Maybe we'll get a retracement. अगर ये ABC खत्म हो गया, and suppose I mark this as say a big A, right? B can technically retrace at least 50% of this move. Right, 50% of this move, it would be, let's just mark this. Right, 50% would be around 14,175. तो वहां तक तो आ ही सकते हैं. So if we don't have any short positions, open, don't short it right away. I think थोड़ा wait करके कल का action देखना चाहिए कि ये कहाँ तक जाता है. It may even open gap up right here somewhere 14,100. Because news हमें बाद में पता चलता है. जो बड़े बड़े लोग हैं उनको न्यूज़ ऑलरेडी पता होता है. So they may know some details about what's coming in the budget which we do not know. So don't get caught in the volatility. On any retracement up to about 50%, we could look at shorting or buying puts, of course with a strict stop loss and all that. But तब तक I think हमें थोड़ा careful रहना चाहिए on the short side. Okay, can we go long? If the market opens above this support 13,775, I'm talking spot levels. इसके ऊपर अगर ओपन करता है और पहले आधा एक घंटा सस्टेन करता है, so we can go long or buy near the money calls with a stop loss here. ये फ्राइडे का लो जो है, that has to be our stop loss. The risk reward is very, very favorable for a long trade, which is a short term trade. So let's see what happens tomorrow. Nirmala Sitharaman candle, I don't know how many of you remember. Anand, which one was it?
September 2019.
September 2019. September. हाँ, ये वाला. This was. ये था. This candle was Nirmala Sitharaman candle. So maybe something huge like that is going to happen tomorrow. अब वो ऊपर की तरफ होगा, will it be a blue candle or a red candle? We'll come to know.
You mean the 700-800 points move tomorrow on single?
Correct. In fact, I think on media she used the phrase, this will be a once in a century budget. So I don't know what that means. So we'll have to wait and see.
You mean to say why not have a once in a event budget a specific circuit kind of move?
हो सकता है, बिल्कुल हो सकता है.
1,000 points.
Correct. So let's see. You want to go to Bank Nifty?
Yeah. ये रहा बैंक निफ्टी का चार्ट. अगर याद हो आपको, we have discussed and Bank Nifty was the first to give a sell signal, sell indication, and it has given a target of around 29,200, 29,000 to be tested. मगर बैंक निफ्टी ने फिलहाल वो टारगेट नहीं किया है. 29,700 से कुछ रिवर्स किया है, एंड बैंक निफ्टी हैज बीन शोइंग स्ट्रेंथ ऑन थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे कंपेयर टू निफ्टी. जबकि फ्राइडे निफ्टी नेगेटिव 200 पॉइंट्स के पास क्लोज किया है, एंड बैंक निफ्टी हैज क्लोज्ड somewhere around positive 150-200 points compared to Thursday. So now what becomes interesting is, will Bank Nifty continue its outperformance and pull Nifty up? Yeah, Bank Nifty will also go with a Nifty. So important reference remains 29,000, 29,200 Bank Nifty में. उसके नीचे 27,500, 27,900 This is going to be next important support for the Bank Nifty. If we observe Bank Nifty since September lows, this has been an outstanding phenomenal performance compared to Nifty. If at all 27,500, 28,000 zone goes, then Bank Nifty has a move all the way towards 25,300, 25,500, 25,000. There's 500 points around 25,000 to 25,500. This is going to be the next important for the Bank Nifty. This move, which was in a fast, violent move, this completely can get retraced if 27,500, 600 goes in Bank Nifty. So this hold the importance, 28,000 near about will be very important if 29,000 goes. This has to be kept in mind. Similarly, what we have seen in the Nifty, 12,700, 800, if goes, that similar level in Bank Nifty comes around 27,600, 28,000. If this goes, Nifty has a target around 12,000 and here we have a target around 25,000. A good approximately 10% kind of move in Bank Nifty and around 6-7% move in Nifty. If these major references goes. So for tomorrow's budget day and coming week, this becomes very important support. Now, how do we trade these levels? First thing is, if you are listening to budget speech and watching budget speech, try to avoid taking trade decision just based on what budget speech is suggesting. For trading, always trust your charts. Rest leave everything aside. Let smart money decide as per the budget document or budget speech, anything, it will be showing in a chart. So follow your charts, follow the levels shared.
टीवी बंद रखना चाहिए.
टीवी बंद रखना चाहिए या म्यूट पे रखो या फिर ट्रेडिंग मत करो. या ट्रेडिंग मत करो, टीवी देखो, मजे लो स्पीच के. But remember, 14,000 on an upside, 13,500 immediately on a downside. These two are immediate reference. Below 13,500, 13,100 triggers. And for a Bank Nifty, 29,000 is the first major reference. And if it that goes, then 27,500, 28,000 as critical support. So overall, a good trading opportunity we can see. Now, how do you trade Nifty or Bank Nifty, anything on budget day if we want to trade? As fix is going to be high, so risk is going to be high. Either hedge your position or be quick to book profits or trade in a spreads. Say you can use horizontal calendar spread of weekly with monthly, or you can use same week, same month spread. There are many ways to trade them. One of my preferred bet tomorrow, addition to my original shorts, would be buying 13,500 put of weekly and selling 13,500 put of monthly based on the signal I am getting on a chart, not a blindly. So everyone can have their own ways.
Yeah, best is to wait for the levels.
Yeah, obviously, only after signal from a chart we can take a trade. Just blindly, not, we should not be buying and selling anything. VIX is going to be high and then premium is high, and if reverses, market reverses, then premium drops fast.
Yes. In fact, I expect a major direction change tomorrow. If it drops down, it will reverse to the upside. If it opens
Higher.
Gap up, yeah, it may turn downwards violently. ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है.
कुछ तो धमाल होने वाला है.
Correct.
वो बोल दिया है जैसे कि कहीं फिर से और एक निर्मला सीतारमण कैंडल बनने वाला है. वो किधर बनता है देखते हैं.
Yep.
Anything from your end for the Bank Nifty?
Let me see. Share करता हूँ.
Shall I give a screen?
Yep. So Bank Nifty, last time we discussed, it was heading to the all-time high. Nifty ने तो काफी पार कर लिया था. So I think इसने technically new high तो लगा दिया है 32,842, but the reversal has been fast. Again, if we go down the scale, if everyone remembers 1, 2, we can only count 3 waves up. So या तो हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि 1, 2, 3, 4 हुआ है, अब 5th ऊपर की तरफ unfold करेगा to finish the impulse. The other way to look at it is maybe it is just a corrective wave. If this is an ABC down wave, maybe we are having just another ABC up, and there is going to be, further consolidation. And this whole formation could be a very big triangle also. अगर ये impulsive नहीं है तो ये तो मतलब time ही बताएगा. But if we simply look at this, I made this pitchfork so that we can see support levels and all that. काफी अच्छे लेवल पे ये रुका हुआ है, and in fact the Thursday bounce from this midpoint of the pitchfork, it also coincides with this huge channel top, long term channel. इस channel के top से इसने bounce किया है. So Bank Nifty actually could show the way forward, and if one keeps in mind the Nifty PSU Bank Index, ये हमने पहले भी एक बार discuss किया था. Let me show that chart. This is Nifty PSU Bank. So it is flirting with the 40 DMA daily scale पे. Thursday के दिन breakdown हुआ था, but see a doji rejection हुआ, and again it's a doji. Yesterday it closed just about 40 DMA. तो अगर ये यहीं से if it starts reversing, we can assume that even the bank Nifty will start rallying. And this point that I plotted with the green line 1660 is a very good support, long-term support for the PSU Bank Index. So इस index को watch करेंगे तो it may even help us trade the Bank Nifty.
That's it for today. So remember the levels. आज के लिए इतना ही है. हम पॉसिबली मिड वीक में फिर से हाजिर होंगे. अगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग पैटर्न बनता है निफ्टी में या स्टॉक्स में, एक चीज याद रखा जाए, एक दिन ट्रेड भी नहीं करते तो चलता है मार्केट में. अगर आपका रिस्क आपको सजेस्ट नहीं करता है ट्रेड करने के लिए, इट्स बेटर टू सिट काम सिंगल डे. फिर बाद में आपको ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी एवरीडे मिल जाएगा. सो लेट
कभी-कभी उपवास कर लेना चाहिए.
Yeah, better to avoid markets on such event day, so that if your risk does not suggest to take big risk, so better to sit calm, watch the fun, क्या कर रहा है market. And mostly I know few persons, Vijay, who specifically trade on such events days. They are good at booking quick profits. No emotions. कुछ emotions नहीं है. 100 point Nifty आ रहा है खा लो, 50 आ रहा है खा लो. So they trade without any emotions and they wait for such a trade opportunities. अगर आप ऐसे ट्रेडर हो, booking quick profits, so you can trade. Else sit calm, watch the fun, and then have a fresh trading view from next day. All in all, have a happy trading week, trading day ahead. A good trading opportunity. We'll be back soon with more updates. Do watch and do join Telegram channel. We have during the week have alerted on important breakdown of Nifty. So if you have not yet, the links we have been tweeting regularly. It is also available in the description of this video. So do join Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you once again for watching. Do share your feedback and suggestions. Do subscribe.
See you next week.
Yep.